To tour this beautiful brownstone. It is a 3-family that personally I would turn into a 2-family and rent it out. You can go condo, that could be a play here, but this area has been renovated. What's really nice about it is that you have exposed brick, really nice details as we explore upstairs. This area, you have nice split systems over here, stainless steel appliances, really nice flooring. This is going to be somewhat of an owner's duplex, really renovated, nice outdoor space, also completely cleaned out. You're on an excellent block, renovated bathroom right here, which is very nice, big sized. Again, exposed brick, you have brand new staircase. Look at this staircase. You're gonna love this basement. This basement is fantastic. Having been in many brownstone basements, you never have high ceilings like this. I'm 6 foot tall. This is probably 7 feet at least. Brand new electrical and everything else. New water main right there, which is great. Also washer dryer down here. You have more storage over there. Also repointed, which is great. So foundation is in excellent condition. The electrical, plumbing, everything has been taken care of on your behalf. So this again is the garden level. You can easily make all of your money back. And again, having the exposed brick, brand new staircase, and then welcome to an area that I absolutely love. Really high ceilings. The ceiling is also exposed. Just love the rafters and all the exposed bricks. So obviously this can be turned around. And then you have a staircase over there that could be a triplex, owner's triplex, and then you have 2 units upstairs, which is great. So if you want to check this out, you have to do it now because someone's going to scoop this up